Well, a very good morning. Thanks for clicking on to the Monday edition of Vogan's US Outlook. We continue to see a very highly active weather pattern across the United States, and that means that we do continue to see severe weather across the parts of the southern tier of the country. While at the same time, we continue to see winter trying to hold on. It's a pretty classic unsettled spring pattern across the lower 48. There is no real domination of cold that has suppressed the severe weather this year, and there's been no massive warmth that has dominated the country either. But when we continue to see this active jet stream crossing the country, you draw together the different air masses, and therefore you get, of course, blizzards on one side of the system, and the warm sector we see record warmth, and as well as that we also see severe weather also. So as we skip through the pattern here, folks, you can see that we are going to light things up once again as we push through the second day of the work week. You can see here over Texas, we're going to probably see some severe thunderstorms. High pressure off the coast means that we are going to pull in warm, humid air from both the Atlantic and the Gulf. Water temperatures, of course, very warm for the time of the year. So it is going to, of course, enhance the activity along this frontal system. Cooler on the backside, nothing particularly bitterly cold by any stretch. We've got the 540 line away north of Chicago here. So this is not a particularly cold air mass. In fact, we've not got an awful lot of cold air even across southern Canada now at the moment. But we are going to continue to see this pattern continue. That system leaves, got another system coming through, and look at the amount of activity that's coming off the Pacific here. So we're going to see more snow over the higher ground. We're going to see low level rainfall across northern and central California. We've got significant snow even down at fairly low levels, I think, across the Pacific Northwest. This is a fairly cold system that's coming in, dragging air in off Alaska, cool across the northeastern half of the country. This is, of course, by the end of this work week. And then we continue to see systems crossing the country. So there was no real change in the pattern as we go through this week and in the next week. We just maintain the same old story. Active weather pattern, periods of severe weather across the south central portion of the country. We're also going to see some mountain snowfall in the west as well. So that's it for today. Do check out the written post later on today, and I'll be back in the next few days. Have a great Monday. Bye for now.